Yeah, good morning, students. So it's my pleasure to introduce this PPSC course in this particular video. Now I would like to share my screen. Hope I think you are able to see my screen. Okay, thank you. So this course is programming for problem solving using C, and the course code is U18CS102. And this course is a common course for all BTech first semester students. So the number of credits for this course is 3. So myself, A. Bhaskar, working as Associate Professor in the Department of IT, KIDS W, would like to teach about this particular course in this particular semester. So now coming to this, why we should learn this particular course? What is the importance of this particular C programming language? I hope you all familiar with this programming languages which are used in computers. Fine. So C is a general purpose programming language, so which is most popularly used, and it is a simple and flexible language, and it is called it as a structured programming language. So it is a structured programming language that is machine independent, and it is extensively used to write various applications like developing the operating systems as well as developing of these some compilers and interpreters. Operating systems includes Unix was developed using this particular C language itself. And C is a base for programming. So if you know the C language, you can know other programming languages very easily. So the C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie developed this particular language. What are the course learning objectives? Why should we learn this particular course? This course will develop the students' knowledge on computer fundamentals and concepts of problem solving using structured programming paradigm. LO2 is control structures and array operations. Learning objective 3 is string functions and modular programming concepts like user defined functions. Learning object 4 is structures, unions, pointers and files using C programming language. So these are the 4 learning objectives of this particular course. So coming to the contents of this course, broadly in the unit 1 you have introduction to computers, overview of the C language and constants, variables and data types, operators and expressions, and then managing input and output operations. So upon completion of this particular unit 1, student should able to demonstrate the knowledge on fundamentals of C programming language and able to design and develop the algorithms and flowchart for a given problem. So this is what the course outcome of this unit 1. So unit 2 is majorly deals with decision making and branching statements as well as decision making and looping statements and arrays. These are the three major topics that we are going to study in this unit 2. So on completion of this second unit, student will able to apply this logical skills for solving the problem using this control structures like branching and looping as well as arrays they can use to solve the given application. The unit 3 course contents majorly deals with character arrays and strings and then user defined functions. So upon completion of these two topics in under unit 3, the course outcome is that CO3. So it will develop, students will able to develop the programs using string functions and as well as using some modular program development with user defined functions. So the unit 4 contents majorly deals with structures and unions, pointers, and then file management. So on completion of this unit 4, the students will able to implement the structures, unions, pointers, and files in C programming. So these are the course outcomes corresponding to each unit. So the prescribed textbook for this particular course is E. Balaguruswamy, the author of this textbook, and the title of the textbook is Programming in C, 6th edition. Now in the market you have the latest edition, 8th edition you have, you can purchase that 8th edition textbook. Tata McGraw-Hill publishers, and these are the following reference books. So you can refer any of these reference books for the contents of this particular programming language. Okay, so Kernighan and Ritchie, A.K. Sharma, Peter Norton, Herbert Schildit, Complete Reference with C, Yashwant Kanetkar. So these are the famous reference textbooks for this particular programming language. So coming to this is very important additional information. So for this particular course, we are making use of a course web 2.0 version we are using here, where we are posting the outcome based lecture schedule. So each and every topic is dealt in terms of course CDTs, course discussion topics, classroom discussion topics, and then we have some self-learning topics, SLTs will be there, and as well as we are able to give you the tutorial problems, and tutorial sheet will be provided on the contents described on previous classroom discussion topics. So you have to refer to this course web regularly to refer these contents of this particular course. And every week we are also uploading the recorded videos pertaining to this particular course, both in WhatsApp group, course WhatsApp group, as well as in the course web also we are posting this. So you have to come to the class well in advance by watching these videos as well as following these CDTs, so that in the classroom we can make the active learning, we can make it, so that the classroom discussion will becomes a outcome based session. So this is additional assignments and solutions are provided here in terms of tutorials, and as well as here there are main assignments A1 and A2 will be given. A1 is based on first two units, A2 is based on third and fourth unit, and course projects are uploaded in the course web. So the students who are interested, please refer to this course projects and select one of the course project and complete that course project by submitting the course project requisition form, which is available in the course web, to the corresponding course faculty. So there are special assignments, one special assignment on course research paper CRP, and one special assignment on course patent will be uploaded in the course web. So you are requested to submit all these four assignments, A1, A2, and special assignment on CRP, special assignment on CP, so which carries 10 marks each. And there are tutorials, weekly tutorials are there. So there is a tutorial matrix uploaded in the course web. So you have to attend the tutorial classes and you have to solve the problems on your own in the tutorial sessions. So there are self-learning topics which are identified in the course in the OBLS. So students are requested to go to this self-learning topics, watch the videos which are uploaded on this self-learning topic before you are coming to the classroom discussion. So another important thing is that these are regarding your uh, non-academic activities here. So academic integrity as well as honesty is very important. So you should not involve in any malpractice in the examinations. So you must be authenticate, you must be liable for any of these particular situations. So valid and reliable assessment will be there, and evaluation is also be there. So you must be very cautious about this particular thing. And one more important thing is you have to maintain the regular attendance. So minimum 80% attendance is mandatory in this particular course. So thank you one and all for your patient listening for this. So now I would like to stop my screen.